everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this After Inked Tattoo Moisturizer. So this is a 3-ounce bottle and a little goes a long way. It does last for quite a while. This is used for either if you just freshly got a tattoo and you need to keep it covered with something, some kind of cream. A lot of people use like Aquaphor or Vaseline. This one's specifically designed to take care and preserve your new fresh tattoo. This can also be used just for existing tattoos. Mine aren't fresh, but this makes them look so nice and so vibrant. Over time, tattoos can get a little bit dull. And then this, it just is a really, really thick, nice cream. I just rub it on my tattoos and it makes them look so like, if you can see the comparison of the before and after, like these ones have nothing and this one's so vibrant and just moisturized and looks so good. It's also really nice to keep your tattoos moisturized because they will fade. So this is really great for preventative and for aftercare. It's paraben free, it is vegan, there's no fragrance to it, so it's really, really clean and healthy for your skin. This doesn't just have to be for tattoos. If you have like permanent makeup done, like your eyebrows or something like that, even if you've done maybe tattoo laser removal and you need something to put on after that, this would absolutely be a great choice. It has really great ingredients. It's enriched with grapeseed oil, and I just really like it. So if you're looking for something to help to take care of your tattoos, I would highly recommend you look into this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.